Hey everyone, Technomentor here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your iPhone speak the caller's name. So let's get started. Now, very first thing in order for this to happen is that first you need to make sure that contact person is in your phone. So if you have a number and you haven't saved them, you want to go ahead and save them in your contacts. So go ahead and add a plus icon. Make sure you put their first name, last name if you like, and then their phone number as well. It's important to have them because that's how the iPhone will know what name to announce when you're getting a call from them. So after you have them in your contacts, really simple, you're going to go to the setting on your iPhone. From the settings app, you're going to go to apps. And in the apps here, we're going to go to the P section for phone app. So we're going to go to phone app. And in the phone app here, where it says announce calls, we're going to tap on that. And here, we're going to go ahead and select how you like it to announce. So if you want it to always announce the caller, you would select always. If you want you have headphones or in your car, you would select that, or if it's only headphones, you select that. But usually you would want any of these options. As long as it's not never, you'll be able to kind of get the iPhone to speak the person's name whenever you're getting an incoming call from them instead of from just vibrating or just ringing. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you guys next time.